In the last lecture, we talked about Gemini as a three-layered house: the brain, the assistant, and the integrated engine. Now let's go one level deeper into that brain. Most older AI models were trained on text first and then had other capabilities layered on top. Gemini was built differently from the ground up to be multimodal. This means it does not just read a description of a video, it actually understands the video, the audio, the images, and the text all at the same time. Whether you are uploading a 1000-page PDF, an hour-long video, or a massive code base, Gemini processes it all in one unified space. It's not secretly translating images into text behind the scenes. It's seeing them directly. When you open Gemini at gemini.google.com, you will notice a model selector. Think of this as different modes, each routing you to a different underlying model that Google has optimized for a specific type of task. The full Google model family is vast, but for everyday use, these are the ones you will reach out for most. Before we walk through them, a quick note on what a model actually is. Think of it like a specialist you are hiring for a job. Each model has been trained differently, fed different kinds of data, optimized for different strengths. When you pick a mode in Gemini, you're essentially choosing which specialist to hand your task to. Fast is our sprinter, quick and conversational. This is the specialist you reach for when you need an instant answer, a fast summary, or help drafting a quick message. It's optimized for speed and handles a high volume of requests. Just don't bring it in for anything that requires deep multi-step reasoning. Thinking is our strategist. This specialist pauses before responding, mapping out its logic before giving you an answer. If you have a complex problem, a multi-step plan to work through, or a nuanced question where a quick answer might get it wrong, this is the one that thinks before it speaks. Pro is our expert. You bring it in when the task is complex: deep research, analyzing a large document, advanced writing that needs to get the tone exactly right. Pro uses the most capable underlying model in the family, which means it can hold more information at once and pick up more nuances the other models might miss. The trade-off is that it's slower and has lower daily usage limits, so save it for the tasks that actually need it. These three, Fast, Thinking, and Pro, are Gemini's language models. They are what powers the conversation. But Gemini's family doesn't stop there. It also includes dedicated models for image and video generation, and you trigger them simply by using the Generate Image or Generate Video commands directly in your chat or in Gemini interface. When you do, Gemini quietly hands the task to the right specialist behind the scenes, and we will meet those specialists later in the course. Now, once we have figured out what models we are going to work with, let me walk you through how to get access to Gemini.